Hello, my friends. This is Winston cooking on Discovery TV. Yes, I'm sharing my breakfast with you here today. Today I have on my plate some nice curry tuna. Yes, curry tuna with steamed cabbage and fried plantains and some fried fritters. Yes, this is what I'm having today for my breakfast. And along with that, some nice green tea. Yes, you can see the tea bag inside here. Nice green tea. So this is what I'm having today for my breakfast. Fried plantains, and curry tuna fish. Curry tuna fish with some nice steamed cabbage. Yeah, and some delicious seasoned fried fritters made from flour mixture. The flour mixtures consist of black pepper, onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder. Yes, and of course you mix it with water and you fry it with oil. So this is my breakfast for this morning. This is what I will be having, and I can't wait to dig in and to start enjoying this nice, delicious, tasty breakfast here. Yes, you're watching this on the Winston Cooking and Discovery TV. I'm sharing my breakfast here with you this morning. Yes. This is fried plantains. Nice, tasty, ripe fried plantains with curry tuna fish and steamed cabbage with fried fritters. Yes, the fried fritters consist of black pepper, onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, and sea salt, and you mix it with water. Yes, and then you fry it in oil. So this is what I will be having. And along with that, I'll be having some green tea. Yes, green tea combination with mint flavored green tea. Yes. So I will be enjoying this in a few seconds here. You're watching the Winston Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Thank you for viewing. I hope you like it and you can try it home. Get some ripe fried plantains and fry them, and get some tuna fish, seasoned tuna fish. Yes, with black pepper, with a little bit of salt and curry powder and onions, and fried onions. Yes, and just put it on the stove and cook it, and steam the cabbage with black pepper, onion powder. Yes, and sea salt, of course. So that's how you make these things. They're very tasty. Please like and share, and please comment down below. Let me know what is your opinion. Thank you. See you on another update. Have a great day.